As a design build general contractor, we like to be involved in every step of the way. And there are a few reasons why we like to be involved in that process and help guide you through that. And so the first reason is that there's just so many options and selections available. We partner with other interior designers. We'll bring them in. We will pick the right interior designer that matches your project and your style. One aspect of picking out materials is budget. Knowing that if we're designing to a budget, that we can help you, give you selections that will match that budget as well. And so once it comes time to actual order the materials, we also like to be in control of that. We have trusted suppliers and vendors that we work with, and so when there is an issue that comes up, when the material shows up either in an incorrect quantity or it shows up damaged or wrong, with us having a strong relationship with our supplier, we can typically get a solution going and get that problem fixed and keep your project moving along at a good pace.